Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's white to play and win. White pawns are going in this direction and black pawns are going downward in this direction. So if you'd like to pause the video and guess the move on your own, go ahead, guess the video. I'll give you 2 seconds to pause. Okay, welcome back. Here black pawn is going downward and white pawn is going forward this way, and you might assume this move. So if the king steps this way on h7, it's going to be pinned, so we can play rook to h5 with checkmate. So this is indeed checkmate into, but here after you play king to f7, the king, the pawn can play here, right? And there is no checkmate. The king is skipping this way, right? So that is the problem with this puzzle. So king to f7 is not checkmate in 2, it's checkmate in 3 actually. So here you might play here to go there and deliver a checkmate to go on h1, and that is going to be checkmate. If black plays here, that is checkmate, right? So but here in this position also black can play here, and black is going to skip this way. So black is skipping on to g4, and black is going to take this. This is actually a win, but this is not checkmate in just 2 moves. The other thing that you might consider is to play rook to b6, and you are pinning the pawn now. So the pawn can't move, but here in this position the king can move here, and there is no checkmate. We can take this, but this is not checkmate. Or if we give this check, the king can skip this way, and the king is skipping from the edge of the board, which is very difficult to checkmate on the center. So that is not the solution of the puzzle. So the correct move here in this position is to play rook to g5. So here the idea is previously, if the rook here, after we play here, if the king steps on h7, it's going to be checkmate because of the pin. But now by playing g5, we are blocking the pawn, right? So we are forcing the king to move there. That is the only legal move, and this is going to be checkmate. So that is the idea of the puzzle and the solution. If you found all of them, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. Bye.